Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for the invitation, inviting me to join you at this year's 75th Jalsa Salana, USA. It's an honor to be here with so many members of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community. To see over 10,000 individuals gathered this weekend speaks volume about the community and their commitment. Since the first Jalsa Salana in Ohio in 1948, this annual convention has served as a space for reflection, dialogue, and strengthening community bonds. The tradition of coming together in service of shared value continues to inspire. During your time here today, I have been struck by the remarkable volunteer spirit that defines this event. From logistic support to hospitality and even through broader community outreach efforts, it's clear that service is deeply held among valued in this community. Through the Jalsa Care Initiative, your volunteers have contributed meaningfully to the Richmond community. Your actions speak to a sincere commitment to giving back and making a positive difference. The community's motto, love for all, hatred for none, reflects values that resonate across many cultures and faith traditions. I have seen these values put into practice through the work of the Northern Virginia chapter and through engagement with communities across our region. I also want to recognize the global leadership of your community and its consistent advocacy for peace and humanitarian efforts. Promoting dialogue, mutual understanding, and conflict resolution is essential, especially in challenging times, and your efforts contribute meaningfully to the globe. Thank you again for the invitation to be part of this milestone. I wish you a successful and enriched Jalsa Salana and continued strength in your mission of service and unity. Thank you.